Here's what you should do when the Microsoft Store is not opening or fails to load on Windows 11 or 10. First up, we will check the date and time settings to make sure everything is set up correctly. To do that, press Windows plus I keys to open Settings, go to Time and Language, and click Date and Time on the right. In here, enable the options for Set Time Zone Automatically and Set Time Automatically. Once done, restart the computer and then open the Microsoft Store again to check for improvements. Although it's not a very common cause, it's still wise to check for pending updates early on since it only takes a few seconds. While researching for this video, I found several cases where users faced issues with the Microsoft Store due to pending Windows updates. To do that, open the Settings app, go to Windows Update from the left, and check if any updates are in progress. If none appear, click on Check for Updates. In case an update shows up, download it, restart your computer, and then see if the Microsoft Store opens properly. Next, we'll reset the Microsoft Store cache. It's quick, simple, and takes only a few seconds. Believe it or not, this solution has worked for a majority of Windows users. To reset the store cache, press Windows plus R keys to open Run, then type wsreset.exe and hit Enter. A command prompt window will appear for a few seconds during the reset process, and if it works, the Microsoft Store should open afterward. If all of this didn't work, it's time to repair and reset the Microsoft Store using the Settings app. This, too, is a very effective solution and shouldn't be skipped. To do that, press Windows plus I keys to open Settings, navigate to the System section, then scroll down on the right and select System Components. Now look for the Microsoft Store entry, click the three dots next to it, and select Advanced Options. In here, click the Repair button, and it will take just a few seconds. Once done, check if the Microsoft Store opens fine. If the problem persists, head back to the Settings app and this time, click on Reset. You will need to confirm the change, and the reset will take about 30 to 60 seconds, but it's a proven fix. Microsoft Store depends on a few services, and if these are not running, you will encounter errors with the store. To fix this, we will need to check and run services critical to the Microsoft Store. To do that, press Windows plus S keys, type Services, and click the top result. Now scroll down, look for the Client License Service and double-click on it. Then, set the startup type to Automatic if the option is not grayed out, and click the Start button to run the service. Finally, click Apply and OK to save the changes. Similarly, run the Windows License Manager service and the Microsoft Store install service. Then check if the problem is fixed. Another quick fix is to re-register the Microsoft Store. For this, you will need to run a quick command in PowerShell. So press Windows plus S keys, type Terminal, then click on Run as Administrator, and choose Yes when the UAC prompt appears. Here you will have to run this command. I have added it to the video's description. You can copy it from there. After executing the command, try opening the Microsoft Store. Next, we will check for network-related issues. Believe me, there's so much to cover here that I could make a separate tutorial for it. But basically, you have to find and fix any network settings conflicting with the Microsoft Store. Say, any third-party antivirus blocking internet access for the store, or if you have made any recent changes to the network configuration, say the DNS, revert them. You could also reset the network settings. To do that, open the Settings app, go to Network and Internet, then click on Advanced Network Settings, and choose Network Reset. In here, click the Reset Now button, and then confirm the change. Once the reset is complete, open the Microsoft Store. If the problem persists, the last solution will fix it for good. The last solution is to perform a repair or in-place upgrade. It's similar to reinstalling Windows, but your personal files and apps stay intact. For this, you'll need to download the Windows ISO from Microsoft's official website. The entire process can take a few hours, so make sure you have enough time and a stable internet connection. We already have a dedicated video on how to perform an in-place upgrade. It should appear near the top right corner. If you don't see the tutorial, click the I icon. That's all for now. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to Tech in Moments so you never miss a quick, smart tech tip again.